What's up, bro? It's your girl, Miss Misty B. I'm live and direct, and I'm back in my kitchen. And I am about to show you another beautiful shrimp, bacon, and green onion mac and cheese oozing all over itself. That's in my oven that I made for my house. Listen. Y'all see that? Yes, baby. Wild caught raw shrimp on top, bacon bits, green onions, 6 cheese mac and cheese. Going down the day after Thanksgiving. Now you gotta make one for your house. Mama, you better come get you some, girl. With Tina Marie in the background singing ooh la la la. Come on now. You know where it goes down in the kitchen with your girl.